morning, people. What a beautiful Sunday. Unfortunately, I can't join any of my friends for today's drive. You know why? Because check this out. I don't have any more rubber. It's literally bald to the skin, to the bone. You know, you can see everything has been shredded from my last outing. I did a few donuts with Rudy, so it's all his fault. Okay, we're nearby and we are here. So I'm gonna call Alvin to open the gate.
Hello, bro.
Hey man, Alvin, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm good.
I need new rubber. My tire all bought out already, so I need new rubber.
Okay.
I'm actually
I'll open the door for you.
Yeah, I'm at your gate. Thanks,
Okay.
man. Thanks.
Yeah, the door is open.
Thanks.
Thank you. Bye.
Alright. Okay, here we are. This is AF Marketing. They are the main importer for Zestino and Joyride tires. So this is their warehouse. Normally they don't serve retail over here, but because they're good friends, so and it's Sunday, I need a new rubber, so I gave Alvin a call and asked him to help me out. So he's gonna sort me out here. Here we are. Check out all the tires. Look at all the tires. My God, there's tons and tons of rubber over here. Lots and lots of fresh tire. Okay, we're here. Good to see you. This is Alvin, my man, my good friend. He's the main guy that I mentioned earlier that brought in Zestino tire and also Joyride. So as you all know that my tires are totally bald, and thanks to him, if not, I don't know where I'm gonna go. So today is Sunday, I need a new fresh tire. I'm here, he's gonna help me out today. Noodles in here, leftover noodles spaghetti. Look, this is all the shredded tires. Here we go. Black gold, black gold. Guys, my new black gold. This is new fresh tire and about to be battered in a few minutes. Okay. Now some of you probably wonder why I've chose Zestino as a replacement. Well, the answer is simple. All my drift cars were fitted with Zestino tires and they never ever let me down once. So there you go, that's the answer. Plus, a tire like this with similar spec, other brand, similar spec, it will cost you somewhere around in the region of 2,000 or more. That's mean per piece. Now here, Zestino is only going to cost you retail price at 1,000 ringgit. So that's a bargain for a performance tire like this versus the price that you're paying. Really, it's a no-brainer. So check them out, okay? Right guys, walk with me. I'm going to take you a quick tour on this facility, which is owned by AF Marketing, which is the main importer for Zestino tire and Joyride. Check out the tires on the right. They're just piling up. On the left, there's more tires. And hang on, who's that? Hey, that looks like me. What are you doing in here? Come on, man, don't be shy. Come out and say hello. You know this guy, right? I know him. He's a race car driver. Hey, Zen, how's it going, man? Anyway, okay, let's get out of here. I wonder I can drift one of these. Maybe someday. We're gonna put some thought in there. God, look at this. These are all, I guess it's a truck tires. More tires. There's just tires everywhere. This will be a perfect man cave for me. You know, turn this whole place into an indoor drifting arena. There you go. You know what this means, right? You look at this space, you know what this means, right? This means after we put in the new rubber, we can come over here and test out the tires. But I think this is big enough. Okay, I don't have an e-brake in the Ferrari, but I think with the power I have, with the CBT off, I think it's sufficient to do a couple of donuts here. We'll find out soon. Okay. Storage facility. It's got 1, 2, 3, 3 level. Come, let's go upstairs. Let's see what they have. Check out the rims. There are thousands of them. My God. Look at this. Warehouse, a full warehouse full of rims. Look. That's crazy, right? I guess it's just more tires. A bit too dark in there. I don't want to go in there. Maybe there's some zombie in there, so let's not take any risk. Let's head out this way. There's a lot of tires, isn't it? And there's some display over there, rim display. Okay, over here we have some fancy rims, 4x4, from what, I don't know, 15 inches to all the way up to 21 inches. All sort of different fashion rims, so you really have to come here and check it out. So yeah, that's the tour. All right, people, there's one more thing that I want you to take note is that when you fitted a brand new tires, every brand new tires come with a layer of wax that's coated on the tires. Now, when you have a new tire fitted, it's always advisable to actually bed them in first before you take it to the max. So my style of bedding it is donut style. So let's check it out. Right guys, that's how you're supposed, no sorry, that's not how you're supposed to do, that's how I'm supposed to do. That's my style of getting rid of the wax, but I strongly advise you do not follow my style because my style a little bit unconventional, so it's different. So again, as you can see in here, it's a controlled environment. We're very safe in here. There's no any other vehicle other than my car and all the tires around me. So thank you very much for watching, and also I want to say a big thank you to AF Marketing, Zestino Malaysia, Alvin, Kenneth, John. Today is Sunday. They're here for me so that I can have a new replacement tires, and I'm looking forward to have another session with them in my studio soon. So watch out for the next episode. Thanks guys. Have a good Sunday. Here we go. Oh no, no good, no good, no good, no good. I'm off the engine. I forgot to put on CBT. Hey!
No, this is bloopers.